This is Paul Turner, the immigration barrister at Imperium Chambers. This is a short announcement really. I've been discussing with Salman from the highly skilled migrants group about putting together something that will be quite helpful and informative in respect of Balajigari and the 3225 litigation and the various consequences to individuals. And we decided that the best thing that we could do would be to put together a short documentary. And this will involve obviously comments from people within the legal profession, people within the Tier 1 pressure group who've done an awful lot of good work in bringing the case forward, and also interviewing individuals who suffered directly as a result of paragraph 3225 refusals, both those who've got judicial reviews and fall under the Balajigari cohort, and those people that don't fall under the Balajigari cohort but are also suffering as a result of the paragraph 3225 refusals. We're also hoping to talk to a number of charities and to anyone else that's got a particular interest in respect of this. If you're interested in getting involved in this production, which shouldn't be too long, but hopefully will be interesting, quite snappy and quite informative, and will hopefully keep the whole issue of the 3225 refusals and the injustice in the public eye. If you're interested in getting involved, please do not hesitate to contact me, Paul Turner, at Imperium Chambers, or clerks at imperiumchambers.co.uk, or my site, The Immigration Barrister, or get in touch with the highly skilled group or Salman directly and see what you've got to offer. As I say, what we want to do is we want to put together a documentary that covers both the legal aspect, the human aspect, and essentially the political consequences of the way that the Secretary of State has handled these cases. The reason for this documentary is perhaps the fact that the 3225, whilst it's been proven that the Home Office has not treated people fairly, and whilst we've got a clear decision from the Court of Appeal that they haven't been treated fairly, hasn't achieved the same level of profile as the TOEIC scandal and the ETS refusals. And the idea behind doing a short documentary on this will be to cover all of these aspects so as to keep the matter in the public eye and hopefully be useful as a tool for people that are interested in representing, or just interested generally in what appears to be a very unfair treatment of a very highly skilled group of individuals. As I say, a lot of the individuals that we represent are actually professionals, and some of them have been doctors, and they fulfil vital roles within society, but have been marginalised as a result of what often turns out to be a false allegation of dishonesty. So this is really a plug for the documentary, really to trail the fact that we are going to be doing one, hopefully over the next month or so. And if you're interested in getting involved, or you've got some input, please, we'd like to hear from you. So this is really just, as it were, an advert for this. So I hope to hear from you, or get in touch with Salman and let us know your thoughts and your contributions. This has been Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers.